Good day, everyone. Today, let's talk about careers in medical devices. This episode is very important, actually, for the guys that are still in matric, the guys that graduated, and the guys that are still going to graduate, and only or any person that wants to pursue a career in medical devices. So let's start by saying it's one of the diverse career path that you can embark on. It's got a lot of speciality within it. Actually, by the way, my name is Deo Hokola. Let's talk about different types of departments within medical devices. We're talking about the normal warehousing, distribution, where we deal with most of your logistics and your supply chain. Then we've got our technical department, where they deal with capital assets or any machines that are supplied to the hospitals. Then we've got kit room or ortho kit. That's where we check the tear and wear of instruments, and also we do some of the replenishment for the non-sterile instruments. Then let's talk about the customer service. Customer service department is where we do most of our invoicing. Then we've got our sales. Those are the guys that are always on the field at the customer, trying to close the sale, or also supporting the surgeons or the sisters or the doctors at the hospitals. Then we've got accounting departments. They deal with our finances. Then we've got regulatory and compliance. That's where they do with all our compliance and also our auditing. Then we've got our law department. They deal with everything to do with the law and the paperwork within the company, or any lawsuit or any complaint that is being escalated. Then we've got the labor relations. That is our HR department. Then within all this department, you will have to study some of a diploma or degree, or some of the guys they come with only in the matric. Then they do the leadership. Then they get those skills, or technical skills and soft skills, so that they can get the proper training, because it's a scarce skill. Most of the careers, they are scarce skills. Then you've got the bachelor in human science, you've got nursing, you've got radiology, we've got biomechanical engineering. We also have logistics and supply chains. We have accounting, we've got IT. Also, we have engineering, but engineering is only few of the degrees that your diplomas that you can get. You can do your chemistry, you can do your mechanical engineering, you can do your light current, electrical engineering, or you can do your electromechanical engineering, and also you can do your industrial engineering. Those are the engineerings that most of the time they get they get opportunities within medical devices, unless otherwise you are you are on the manufacturing side. But if you are on the manufacturing side, then yes, also there is there is some of the qualifications that they can need from engineering, but apart from the ones that I've stated here. Then we've got business administration, we've got MBA, and we've got doctors within medical devices. Those are some of the degrees or diplomas that you can get. I only took few of the most critical ones. Then let's say you are from matric, and then what you need to do next. If you are from matric, you enroll with any university to get your degree within those disciplines that I've mentioned above. Then, or you get your diploma, then you do your internship. Or if you don't do your internship, you'll do your learnership. And most of the times, guys, take note, medical devices, they hardly post those internships and learnerships on the social media platforms. You need to go to their website and go to the career portal, so that you can access those learnerships. Then the other way around you can do it, you can, from matric, you can go to National Defense Force and join defense force, do your logistics there. They've got logistics. You can also do your engineering there. You can also join SAMS, and they deal with most of medical. You can do it there. Therefore, after doing that, after a couple of years, you have acquired those skills and soft skills, then you can go to one of the company in medical industry. Then within most of the time, if you are coming from any company or any discipline out of a medical device, you will get interviewed, then you will be imported to the company. Once you have imported to the company, you're going to be trained. Sometimes it takes a month, 2 months, even to 3 months. You will learn the technical skills and also the soft skills within the company. Then you'll be ready to work within department that you'll be working on. If it's a warehousing or logistics and supply chain, sometimes it takes a little bit. It doesn't take long. Maybe it's gonna take a couple of weeks, then you start working. But when you are on sales, it's a different story. When you are in a technical department, it's a different story. It depends in which department you'll be working on. I'll make an example of myself. I started my career in National Defense Force, in Air Force, studied mechanical engineering, qualified as a technician that side. Then I went to Johnson & Johnson. That's where I started my career in medical devices. In Johnson & Johnson, I started from the low ground until I get to the leadership in Johnson & Johnson. Then I went to other companies around South Africa, global companies around South Africa. So within then, this is some of the books that I was reading by myself just to equip myself with the knowledge. This is anatomy and physiology. It's very important for the guys that coming from any discipline to join the medical industry, because you will need to know about certain anatomies actually if you are in medical devices. This is the 11th edition that I studied. Also, it talks about anatomy and physiology in health and illnesses. This one is an atlas of human anatomy. Also, it's a great book. And then this one is a book that most of the guys they know, the guys that they know in sales, implants and instruments. This is also a very important book, because here you learn about different types of fractures. You learn about different types of approach. You learn about different types of instruments on this book by itself. So it's very important also. So then this is the book that I bought when I was a key account manager in Castols, the practicals of laparoscopy surgery. Then I needed to learn and know. So it's a journey by itself where you'll be learning a lot. There's a lot of learning in medical devices. You learn constantly. There is no time that you're gonna say you don't want to learn. So I hope, guys, this video is gonna help any person or everyone. So if you need any help, you can send an email. On my bio there's an email. You can send an email, then I can see how it can help you. If you are unsure about any career that you want to choose or you want to embark on in medical devices, you can send me an email there. Thank you. Bye.